Yes. Wow. Yeah, shout out, everybody, everyone.
Kids go free. What's that?
What's
Something on the billboard. It said kids go free. What's your favorite restaurant?
me here in Saudi?
Yeah,
Herfi.
Herfi.
Yeah, and Kudu.
Kudu.
Yeah, and Mama Nora,
Oh,
and Altazas,
and
and Little Caesar.
you don't know? You don't like Maestro?
Maestro, yeah, I know Maestro Pizza.
It's
You like
really-
Maestro Pizza?
Yeah.
Wow, it's
And
delicious,
what about
right?
Baskin Robbins?
Yeah, it's Baskin Robbins ice cream is very, very good. You like Baskin Robbins?
Of course. It's
Wow.
my favorite one.
It's your favorite?
It's my favorite for ice cream. Oh.
What flavor? Vanilla?
No. About cotton candy.
Cotton candy. It's not good taste.
It's yummy for it. Chocolate. I don't know how you all don't like cotton candy. It's really yummy.
I like the chocolate. Chocolate? Wow, chocolate is nice.
Yeah, I like chocolate and bubblegum.
Bubblegum?
No. Chocolate.
Strawberry.
Cotton candy.
Ah, it's cotton candy.
And also blueberry.
Blueberry, yeah.
Blueberry is really yummy.
Blueberry is sour, right?
What?
It's sour. What about restaurant? Kudo?
Italy.
Italy? Italian restaurant?
Yes.
Wow.
Macaroni pizza.
Macaroni and
Ravioli and lasagna.
lasagna?
Yes, but my favorite is the macaroni and the ravioli.
Wow. Khalid always like kabsa. Right, Khalid?
Hmm?
You like kabsa only, right? Bukhari. You like Bukhari?
Oh, Bukhari? Yeah, I
Yeah.
do like Bukhari.
Al Bukhari. What about shawarma?
I don't like shawarma.
You don't like shawarma?
No.
Shawarma is good.
Yeah, but it's not
Yep.
because I have also allergies.
Why they break? They make pass, but then they make break.
I can't breathe.
2 hours ago exactly, I was in my house.
2 years ago?
Maybe you're not got Quran today,
Maybe.
Maybe.
so I can go now.
Maybe, you don't know. I'm gonna ask our dad first.
Okay, just do whatever you want.
Ronaldo, who's that
Because
guy?
if you have the Quran, I stay there. I'm not go.
Yeah, but we're gonna ask our dad.
So you ask your dad, huh?
Yeah, and then we're gonna ask him.
So I
So
wait.
you wait.
I wait maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay?
What?
Maybe the next one is Alexa.
We're gonna ask if there's Ali, let's play the guess the Fortnite names again. Why? Yeah.
Walking out.
Walking down the street.
You start.